All right, in today's video, we are looking at the comparison between the 1535 Air case and the 1510 Classic case. So, as you can see in size, these are the comparable cases. This is the Classic 1510 case. That's one of our most popular cases, and this is the Air case version of it. So, just want to go over a few of the feature differences and just kind of show you the comparison. So, let's take a look on the outside, starting on the front for both of these. So, Air case is on the bottom, the Classic case is on top. Same style handle, double over molded handle, nice and comfortable. So that's the same. We still have the two holes on the case for combo locks. They're both covered by stainless steel hardware for extra protection. We also have the equalization valve. So we have this here and here on the Air case. On the Classic case, again, that's to allow equalization of pressure for the case. So if you're going to high altitudes, it will relieve the air, but won't let any air or water in. So again, those are automatic. So that's the same on each case. Double throw latches on both. So the Air case and the Classic case. So the latches are the same. One of the main differences here on the front is the nameplate. So on the Air case, you have this plastic little covering nameplate. So this actually works very well for like business cards. So you just throw a business card in there and you can switch it out as needed. On the Classic case, you have this nameplate, which is removable. So you open up the case, you take this out, and you can get it laser engraved. The Classic case will come with a little envelope on the inside that gives you the instructions. You fill out what you want, you send it in with the nameplate, and they'll send it back to you, and then you're good to go there. So that's the main difference here on the front side. Moving to the handles on the top, so you can see the difference between the Air case down here and the Classic case. So the Air case, it's a lot smaller handle. It's not as comfortable in terms of grip, but again, you're not technically going to be carrying it from this side all that often. And you can see just in terms of the amount of material. So you're cutting weight here. So that you'll start to see that in order to get the weight, because one of the biggest differences between the 1535, the Air case, and the 1510 is weight. So it's about 40% lighter, which is it's a big difference when you're traveling. Again, up top, the handle's just a little bit different in terms of size and the grip. All right, going towards the back, you still got the wheels. Heavy-duty wheels, just about the same. Now, one of the big differences here, so here you can see on the Classic case, the 1510 case, the housing for the pull handle and the wheels and everything is basically built off the case itself. So this is added weight. You do get a little bit more depth in the case, in the 1510 case, but you do get the added weight because of this unit here on the back. Compared to the 1535, which as you can see, it's more integrated into the case itself. Again, you lose a little bit of depth, not a lot, but just a little bit, but you cut down, again, on that weight itself. You got the pull handle on both of them, making it very easy to travel with. So we can open these things up and check out the inside just so you can see the difference there. Both of these are with foam options. So you got the pick and pluck foam in both of these. So in the 1535 with foam option, you get one big piece of pick and pluck foam. Okay? And then you have the other piece, it's a lot thicker piece at the bottom. Okay, this is what gives you a little bit of padding and protection at the bottom, compared to the 1510 case, which has got two pieces of pick and pluck foam for your customization with a smaller, thin piece at the bottom. So if you look at, let's take a look at the insides here. So you can see on the inside of the 1510 case, so you can see it's pretty flat. There's a little bit more space. These are for the wheel wells. This is for the handle. Compared to the 1535, the Air case. So again, now you have, so you have a little couple pieces of foam there, but you can see this unit that houses the pull handle takes up a little bit of the interior depth. But other than that, they're virtually identical. All right, so that is it. That is the comparison between the 1510 classic case and the 1535 air case. We'll link both products below so you can check out more specs and more details. If you do have any questions or comments, please leave them below. If you want to check out more case videos, check out our channel. And as always, thanks for watching.